So you want to be a videographer? Yeah, me too. Let me explain. Hi, my name is PJ and I picked up a camera almost 15 years ago. A GoPro more specifically. And yeah, I know, I'm old. However, do I tell other people that I'm a videographer? No. But do I tell myself that I'm a videographer? Also no. It's not even on my dating profile. That could possibly be too much information. I do think that it is part of my imposter syndrome. See, I've never really felt like I've earned that title. Now, I have worked with clients in the past and I have been paid for my video services before, but it's only been kind of a part-time thing. Until recently, I've always had the dream of just chasing this path, and now that I've finally quit my corporate job a couple months ago, I'm ready to dive in full force. Not only that, but I also want to document every step along the way, which means as long as I continue to learn new things on how to grow a successful video production company, I will pass them along to you here in this new series, which means you'll have all the lessons and all the resources that I learn along the way. So you're probably asking, why are you doing this? Well, I'm a dude in my early 30s, and my only regret so far is that I didn't do this sooner. And so I hope that my videos become a stepping stone to those younger than me and actually helps them get started earlier. Of course, I've looked up countless of YouTube videos of successful video production owners across the years, but I've always wanted to see something being grown from the ground up in real time. I wanted to feel like I was in it with someone else. And so hopefully these videos will serve as just that. You'll see all my mistakes, you'll see my successes, and hopefully, maybe, eventually, you'll see me become confident enough to actually call myself a videographer, a cinematographer. Hell, I am aiming for DP hopefully one day. And if you can see someone like me do it, then hopefully others can say, hey, if he can do it, then I can do it too. Anyways, I know there are so many things to do: setting up your LLC, your website, pricing, retainer packages, outreach. The list is huge. And so what I'm going to be aiming to do is to jam pack all my videos and keeping them under 5 minutes. Why? Well, that means that I'll actually be able to stay consistent with them, and also that they'll be digestible. Now, I won't promise they'll be the flashiest, most polished videos you'll ever see, but I can guarantee you that they'll be real. But enough of that intro. Hopefully I've piqued your curiosity enough for you to follow along and subscribe. So yeah, let's get to it. Now get out of here, you crazy kids.